At least the spray is working.
That's the honey badger way. We may not smell great, but we get the job done.
Hive is 58% complete. Lunch today is honey with a side of honey.
Same as yesterday. Very good.
All hail the queen!
Woo! We need to get Ron back.
Way ahead of you.
Sam, you need to get Sweetie out of there now. I solved the mystery of why the bees moved into Ron. Their old hive was destroyed by a honey badger. Sweetie!
Whiskers, that's it! That's why he knew where the old hive was, and that's why he was so eager to help us. He wants to eat all the honey.
Oh, it's you again.
Stay back, or the queen gets the stink spray. I'm just here for the honey.
If you spray, we sting.
Sam, do something!
Okay, everyone calm down. No one needs to get stung or sprayed. Sweetie, your sting meter is almost full. You can't take any more stings. Why don't you forget the honey and leave now?
No deal, Sam. I'm a honey badger. I'm gonna get that sweet, sweet honey one way or another.
Your Majesty, what if you gave Sweetie some honey?
What? If word gets out that I'm giving honey away, all kinds of animals will come after it.
Work with me here, Your Majesty. You did turn our jet into a sticky-using mega hive.
I had no choice. We loved our old hive until he destroyed it.
Your Majesty, what about a trade?
A trade?
Yep. We could fix up your old hive, and Sweetie here could protect it from all those other animals. You could pay him in honey.
Interesting.
Sweetie here would make a great guard. He isn't afraid of anyone.
Yes, I think that could work out quite nicely.
Not so fast. I got better things to do than guard a bunch of bees.
Hey, I understand. If you're not up for the job, we'll find someone tougher.
What? I'm the toughest guy around. Your Majesty, you got yourself a bodyguard.
Your Majesty, how's it going with the new hive?
Couldn't be better. Now that we aren't worried about honey thieves, production is way up, which means there's plenty of extra honey for Sweetie. You know he really is sweet deep down.
Sam, Kit, I gotta thank you both. This is the best job I ever had.
Honey.
Hey, keep moving, buddy.
Seems like this arrangement is working out, which means...
Another creature case
closed!